which is very important. Cover your mouth when you're coughing. So basically, you can't just cough without covering your mouth because you're spreading the germs. So you have to cover your mouth. Second of all, which is also very important, when you go to toilet or you have to wash your hands. So this person isn't washing his hands, but this one is. So you shouldn't not wash your hands when you go to the toilet or eat your food, because then you're spreading germs. But if you do wash your hands, then it's really good because you're not spreading the germs. And last but not least, we have this one. So whenever you fall down or hurt yourself, you have to wash wherever you've hurt yourself. So she has hurt herself and she is washing her wherever she's hurt herself. But she has hurt herself, but she didn't wash her hand where she hurt herself. And that is coronavirus rules.